When you are facing a challenge or chasing a dream, it is easy to feel overwhelmed. But remember, every journey starts with a single step. It is not about how fast you move, but the fact that you are moving forward to win. Each step you take brings you closer to your goal. Whether it is a big jump or a small shuffle, every single step forward counts. Do not underestimate the impact of consistent effort. The key to success in any field is the perseverance of a human being. Remember, it is not about being perfect. It is about being persistent. Rome was not built in a day, but it was built brick by brick. Celebrate the progress you make, no matter how small. Every step counts towards your success. When you feel like giving up, take a deep breath and remind yourself of how far you have come. Recall the challenges you have overcome and the lessons you have learned. Trust in your ability to keep moving forward one step at a time. You have the strength and resilience to overcome any challenge that comes your way. Believe in yourself, trust in your journey, and keep taking those steps towards your dreams. No matter how daunting the road ahead may seem, just take it one step at a time. Stay focused and keep pushing forward. Keep moving forward one step at a time.